Hello. So I'm talking about how to discover the agent that makes you not to lose weight. It may be one of these three things. One, you're eating too much. What I mean by too much is that you eat all the time that your body doesn't have rest to function properly and give you the result that you are expecting. And number two, you may be eating too much of complex and simple sugar. What I mean by simple sugar is something that tastes sweet, not in a healthy way like the granulated sugar and the rest, synthetic sugar, or eating carbohydrate, starch. That's what I mean by complex carbohydrate. Then number three, you might be eating animal product too much that is interfering. So it's something you have to discover by yourself so that you will know how to control this process. There may be these simple things that are just interrupting you, and now maybe you are getting discouraged that why are you not getting the result that you want. So in these instances, one of the things you should do is like fast. Either you should skip your breakfast. That doesn't mean that you won't eat something that has to do with breakfast. What I mean is that you can shift your breakfast to lunch, then your lunch and a little bit of your lunch and your dinner for dinner. That's what I mean. So like by doing that, then you will know and maybe keep records for a week and see how your body, and be like weighing yourself and see how the result is going to be. That's number one process. Then number two, you reduce complex sugar and carbohydrate, simple and complex sugar in your diet. What I mean is that you can be eating protein and vegetable and fruit in the ratio of 80 to 20. That means the complex sugar and carbohydrate should contain just 20% of your diet or food. Then the third one, it may be that you are having issue with animal products. You don't even know, or you don't realize. So what you do is like you try to minimize animal products in your diet and see. It's something that you experiment actually, because there are things sometimes you have to discover about your body. So it's something you will experiment by yourself. So maybe you should stay away for that for a week. Just like I said initially, be weighing yourself and doing all those things so that you keep record of your body, the progress that you are having. So these are some of the three things you should consider while trying to like lose weight. So see you next time. My name is Basking Joy. Halala, 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 halala.